Snicky. Oh my goodness. I think we have to go visit the big truck. Shall we go visit the big truck? Here, this way. Come on. But we have to go visit the big truck. Wow, look at this thing. I remember when monster trucks were super rare. Now they're everywhere, right? Snicky, are you impressed? Look at this big thing. It's a big old truck. Look at this. This is amazing. Oh, special shout out, Palm City Hydra Line. Nice. These things are engineered so wonderfully. I wonder if it has a funny license plate on the back. Oh no, it doesn't. But look at the back of it, and wow. You're not impressed, huh? Wow. Oh, you're gonna take a poop right next to the monster truck. Oh no. Alright, good thing I got bags, huh? Alright, time to scoop. Come on, Sir Poop-a-Lot. Look at this. There's more. But wait, there's more. Holy shit. I can't believe this. My luck. Look at these big hunka trucks. Oh wow. This is an old coupe. Old classic coupe with white walls. That's freaking awesome. Hello, you big freaking awesome trucks. Yeah, America. What's up? American Pride truck. Truck's gone wild. This truck is freaking awesome too. Oh God, I could just explode. I can't believe this. Snix, can you believe this, dude? Monster trucks all over. Is there more over here? Now I just want to look everywhere for monster trucks.